talk about lately is Ace Lightning. I mean, it's brilliant you're helping him out and everything, but you can't save the world all the time. Are you even seeing this new goal of yours? And I can't imagine teachers giving you an A for stomping Lord Fear. I suppose you've had a bit of a break now, seeing as that nutter, Random Virus, is out of the picture.
Let's hope Random Virus stays out of the picture. If he ever joins sides with Lord Fear, Ace Lightning wouldn't stand a chance against him.
Virus on the horizon, my lord.
My loyal staff, bring Virus to me. Now. With Random Virus by our side, we will be unstoppable.
Found it!
Go away! Leave me alone! I can't trust you. I can't even trust myself.
It's hard to take a stand. It's hard to do what's right. No matter how scared you are, you have to stand and fight. And we don't have to play this game all alone, 'cause there's a hero in us all. It wakes a hero in us all.
Nobody leaves until I say so. We're not done here, Virus.
I am.
We just want to help. It must be so hard having two programs. Two voices in your head.
Yes, it is.
We can cure you.
Help you find true happiness.
Remove your weakness.
My weakness.
That's right, mate. We'll take away your save the world sign.
You can do that?
Yes. And together, we can dominate this dimension. Savor your power, my friend.
Never!
Have it your way.
I warned you to stay away. With my power over machinery in this dimension, you don't stand a chance against me.
Oh, crikey, Ace Lightning.
Hope you don't mind me dropping in. I love a good scrap.
You again.
Let's trash them.
This is between me and Fear. You pathetic pile of skin and bones. You should have left me alone. You'll never escape me now.
Did you miss me, Ace?
Huh?
Well, I won't miss you.
Random! Where are you? Random! Answer me! Where are you taking him?
Hello?
Yes. I mean, is Samantha there?
Sam? It's that English kid.
I hate busy signals.
So that's when he jumped into the mosh pit.
A mosh pit? Weren't you freaked?
Hey, kid. Are you here?
Nah, it was nothing compared to getting caught in a football riot. No, that was wild.
A riot? Were you hurt?
Nah.
Let's go, kid. I've been looking for you.
Who's that?
Ace?
Who's Ace?
My dad. It's an old English custom. I call him Ace and he calls me Kid.
It's an emergency, kid.
How come your dad doesn't have an accent?
Well, we have been here a while. I'm losing my accent too. Dude.
Quit clowning around, kid. We've got work to do. I'm in the room with the cold machine.
What's a cold machine?
So I'll see you at the mall.
Sure, but...
Okay, bye. This better be good, Ace.
Do you think that light goes off when you shut the door, or is it always on? Now it's on again. Amazing.
Not the fridge.
Can't we just destroy him?
All head and no brain. No, my trusty staff. We shall spare him. With our new friend's help, even Ace Lightning can't stand against us.
Where are we gonna keep him? Yeah, he's not staying in my room.
He'll be in the one place no one will ever look for a lightning night.
So, we need to rescue Random Virus before he becomes evil again.
But I'm meeting Samantha at the mall.
You think Random Virus is at this mall?
No, I got a date.
I'm talking about the end of the world here. You're telling me you have a date? All right.
Okay, I'll help.
I knew I could count on you, kid. We'll make a lightning night out of you yet.
C to the H to the U to the C, add a K and a Y, and that spells me. I'm Chucky M, I'm Chucky M. Don't say I'm not. I'm so cool, I'm really hot, hot, hot. Chucky M in the house.
Oh, hey, Chuck, it's Mark. I got a question. Is there any way for Ace Lightning to beat Random Virus?
The British version of this game sounds awesome. When can I try it?
Soon. I promise.
I'm on the case, dude. I'm Chucky M, yeah, that's my name. I'm Chucky M, and I got game.
Finally. Hi.
Hi, how was school?
Great.
Gotten your homework?
Just a little.
Oh, you better get to it. Don't seem to be spending as much time studying since we moved here. Care for a snack?
No thanks. I'm going to the mall with Samantha.
What about your homework?
She's helping me with it.
Oh, all right then. Just make sure you get it done. Oh, I've just about had it with the second-rate merchandise.
London sounds so cool.
I'll show you it someday.
Who man?
Chuck, Samantha and I were just going for a slice of pizza.
Great call. One large za to go. Hey, I set up a simulation to see what happens when Random Virus hooks up with Lord Fear.
You know, Mark doesn't want to play a computer game right now. Do you?
It's for a science project.
You've got to be kidding.
I'm sorry about it, Samantha. I'll make it up to you, really.
That's okay. We could get one to go.
Hey.
Feel like hanging out?
Sure.
Stay tuned. This rocks.
What's that?
Game over. You lose. This world is mine.
How do you stop them from winning?
You don't. Whatever lightning shoots at Virus bounces back on him. Virus is too powerful. Join him up with the bad guys, and...
There must be something Ace Lightning can do.
There is. Stop Random Virus from going bad.
Pete, it's me again. Things don't look good for Random Virus. Chuck's playing the game on his computer. Maybe he'll come up with something. Meanwhile, I gotta meet Ace down at the Carnival. We're gonna try and find Random Virus before he joins Lord Fear. Oh yeah, I really messed things up with Samantha. I just hope things will work out.
Fresh meat. Big face eat tiny lightning knife.
Watch yourself, Porky.
Out of my face, you fizzling fool! Get off! You like puny fly on Pigface! When Pigface done, they'll have to scoop you up with a spoon.
I don't think I'll be eating pork chops for a while.
Well, I hadn't counted on meeting Pigface. That little rumble drained my energy.
No sign of Random Virus. Did you see him anywhere?
Not yet, but I'd better recharge. If he's gone bad again.
You'll need to be at full power.
You'd better go too. We don't want Fear finding you here alone.
Look at this.
Hey, Sam.
Hey, what's up?
I was about to ask you the same question.
Well, I'm hanging out with Brett. I thought you had to play with your video games.
Look, Sam, I'm sorry. I was just...
Come on, Brett.
Wait. Do you want to play? It's brilliant. You just throw the bag and try and knock the clown over. I'm great at this. Just do it like this. Not like that. You want to play, Brett? Brett?
Yes! I rule! Wait a minute. I've got to go tell Mark how to beat Random Virus.
Hey, guys. Mind if I join you? These things are always more fun with more people.
There's not enough room. It's too
I got drinks for you.
cramped.
Yeah, I'll watch it.
No. Be careful.
Let's go.
Wait,
pulls a feather trigger, takes me back. The way he wanted, but he's other. Swallowed every feeling does serve as a reminder I am living a lie, saying I'm glad you two are fine. I should be living right, and getting rid of this die-hard crush. Are you sleeping well? Guess I miss my then and never. Those few days I spent with you songs.
Hey, Mark, I got the solution for my last
all that I could do was with that line.
Step number 2. What you gotta do is you gotta go to the most northern part of the Carnival. And then what you do is you go on the Ferris wheel.
Just reach for your hand. And I dare to cross it.
If you find a dirty round, you can go flying around, you can go south. Defeat him. Hey, wait. Anyway, as I was saying, you defeat him, and he drops his game. Step number 3.
And getting rid of this.
3 double dog and the scream-sized orange soda.
Come on. So, pick up the phone.
Hi, this is Ace Lighting. I can't come to the phone right now because I'm off saving the world. Please leave your emergency after the beep and I'll get back to you.
I hope you're checking your messages, because I found out how to defeat random virus, but you need the Shield of Justice. I'm at the... Cut me off. Come on, Chuck, we need to go on that ride.
I'm not good with coasters, dude.
You'll be fine, it's not a coaster.
I can't.
Come on.
I need onions. Oh, we can't go in there.
Why not?
Hello. It's a tunnel of love.
Yeah, and you won't get sick on this ride.
Wanna bet? Hey, you got the tickets?
Yeah.
See, this isn't so bad.
Shakespeare wrote Romeo and Juliet. Shakespeare was English too.
Mark, what are you doing?
So are the Beatles. James Bond. Random virus.
Random virus is British?
I gotta go.
Man overboard!
Mark? I'll get him.
No, you won't.
Where am I?
Come on. Gotta get out of here.
He won't listen to you. He's finally come to his senses and found his inner evil.
No way, Fear. He's a lightning knight.
Is he really? Look at him, Virus. He's so pathetic. Our world has no room for the kind or the weak. Ha.
No room for kindness.
Random virus. Remember, I'm friends with Ace Lightning.
Spare me your cowardly whimpering. Friendship is for weaklings.
Hey, kid, catch.
Virus, my evil friend.
I am not evil, and I am not your friend. There is only one language you understand, and this is it.
It's gotta hurt.
Come, my loyal staff. I can't stand this stench of goodness.
Leaving so soon? But the party's just begun.
We'll be back, Lightning, with Virus by our side. Remember, Virus, when you find your evil self again, I'll be there for you.
Good work, Lightning Knight.
I'm not a lightning knight.
He's learning.
What were you thinking? You know, sometimes you are just so... Ugh.
I'm sorry. I thought you and Brett hooked up again. And I just...
Turned into a big freak?
Yeah, I know. I had to do something.
Look, Brett and I are good friends.
Oh.
Just friends.
Oh. And you and me?
Well, if you cared enough about us to get that stupid, then I guess you really like me.
Feel like another ride on the Tunnel of Love?
No thanks, dude. I'm gonna call it a day.
Okay. You know, Pete, today Pigface tried to smash me. Lord Fear nearly throttled me. And Random Virus, he almost fried me. But none of that was quite as scary as showing my feelings to Samantha. But the scariest thing of all is not knowing what you're feeling. And not even be able to trust yourself.